Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Justin, and today I will teach you how to put a pre-order on your TikTok shop. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So, let's get started. In order to do that, you just need to head over to your products. Click on Manage Product right here. And then from in here, you should be able to add a new product or edit an existing one. For me, I'll just edit a product that I have right here. Now, this will open this page right here of my specific product on TikTok. So, inside this, right here, you should be able to see the option for the pre-order. But, if your actual product doesn't have that option, that only means that you haven't met the criteria for the pre-order. They have some criteria that you must meet. First, you must be invited by TikTok itself. Second, you must be selling handmade products. And third, you must have less than 10% seller order cancellation or less than 15 order cancellations within 3 days. So, if you meet those requirements, then you should be able to enable the pre-order option of your product on your specific TikTok shop. And there you have it. Now you know how to set up a pre-order on your TikTok shop. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.